Want to download apps not available in your country? Here is how you can change your App Store country or region in just a few steps. Subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Settings app. On your iPhone, open the Settings app and tap on your Apple ID name at the top. Step 2. Go to Media and Purchases, tap on Media and Purchases, then select View Account. If asked, sign in with your Apple ID. Step 3. Change country or region. Scroll down and tap on country/region. Now tap Change country or region and then download. Pick your chosen country to be a chooseful candidate. Step 4. Select your new country from the list. Choose the country you want to switch to. Then tap Agree to accept the terms and conditions. Step 5. Enter address and payment info now. Add a valid address for the country you selected. If you don't have a payment method, you can try selecting none if available. Then tap Next. That's it. You've changed your App Store country. Now you'll be able to access apps and games from the country you chose. Like the video if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides.